Ugh, mornings. Why do they even exist? And why every single day?
Hey guys, I'm Peter. Welcome to a normal, crazy morning in my house.
Yep, that's my family. Never a quiet moment around here. Let's go see what broke.
I think the toaster is dead.
Just eat cereal, David.
So, this is my family. We're always in a rush, but it's kind of fun.
Morning, sweetie. Eat your breakfast.
Mom, I'm on camera. That's my dad, David. He's a doctor, which means he's super smart, but he still can't use a toaster. How's the toast, Dad?
Perfect and crispy.
And that's my mom, Emma. She's a high school teacher. She basically lives on coffee.
Peter, did you feed the dog yet?
Doing it right now.
Good morning, beautiful.
Good morning. Coffee smells good.
Here you go. I'll join you.
Perfect, thanks.
Of course. What's new today?
Just some emails. You?
The paper.
Now I have to wake up the most annoying person in this house.
This is my little sister, Mia. She sleeps like a rock.
Wake up, lazy! You're gonna be late for school.
Go away, Peter.
Mom, Peter is bothering me.
Works every time.
Whoa! And here comes the best family member. This is Lucy. She's 5, and she's a very good girl. Yes, you are, aren't you?
Hey! No, Lucy, drop the shoe! Come back!
It's my turn to pick a movie.
No way! You picked that boring cartoon last time!
Come on, you two, share it.
Let them have some fun. Problem solved. We are watching a nature documentary about dirt.
Aw, Dad! Dinners are always loud. We all talk at the exact same time.
Mia, watch your food.
Oops, well, Lucy liked it.
I have to do the dishes every night. It's the worst chore ever, honestly.
But at the end of the day, I wouldn't trade them for anything. They're my people.
All right, guys, that was a day in my life. It's loud, it's messy, but it's home. Now, I have a question for you. Who is the messiest person in your family? Is it your brother? Your sister? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed hanging out with the Carters today, make sure to hit that subscribe button.
Bye. See you next time.
Keep studying your English. Oh, no, don't film that.